Today is Tuesday, January the 26th, 2021. This is an Eastern red cedar desk that I'm working on. This has got two book matched curly grain tops on it. The grain in this, you don't see a whole lot in the Eastern red cedar, but when you do it, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to fill these places in with, I think I'm going to pour it with clear. I've got the bottom sealed up. And I'm going to figure out whether I want legs on this. Right now the top is setting at around a little over 31 inches in height. So this is a sharp one.